Abel Stearns. So this is Abel's Typewriters. So this booth I've been doing for almost a year now, on and off. I've always had like a really big obsession with industrial design. I found typewriters to be like accessible. There's something that we all have seen before, right? Like a typewriter is pretty ubiquitous, but you've seen one like at an antique shop, maybe an older one, maybe it doesn't work and it's all dusty. But I've never seen like a bunch of working typewriters in one place at once. The screen one that looks like it's from the 1960s is called the Hermes 3000. For anybody who gets into the hobby, that's Tom Hanks's favorite typewriter, and so that's the one that everybody wants to get. I think any city, there needs to be more stuff for folks that doesn't cost money. Like the typewriters are free, right? When you go out, there's not a lot of free stuff to do. It's kind of a way to kind of take all the things that I care about and kind of like mishmash them together into something that kind of sort of feels right, but also speaks like the challenges of just the now. Like my iPhone is not going to be useful for very much longer. It's going to basically turn into trash. But like typewriters are obsolete, but they've never turned into trash. And that has everything to do with the fact that like they were also made to last forever.